This is the Glute-Ham Developer, a piece of gym gear that promises to transform your posterior chain. But after using one for a month, I found out something pretty surprising. It's not just about building your hamstrings. This thing challenges your core, back, and even your mental grit. So is it worth dropping serious cash on one, or is it just a fancy machine gym bros love to flex? Let's break it down. Glute-Ham Raise Machine Product Overview. Okay, what exactly is this? The Glute-Ham Developer, sometimes called a Glute-Ham Raise Machine, is a strength training station that helps you train hip extension, back extension, and even sit-ups, all while working your glutes, hamstrings, and core. It's made by multiple brands. For instance, Rogue Fitness has their Abram GHD 2.0. Titan Fitness also makes a more budget-friendly version. This gear is built for serious strength training. Think athletes, powerlifters, or dedicated home gym lifters who want to level up their posterior chain game. Glute-Ham Raise Machine Performance. Here's the thing. Using a GHD is different from any other machine. It's not about slamming weight up and down. It's about control, so you can really feel those eccentric hamstring fibers stretch and then contract. According to fitness experts, this gives you more than just strength. It revs up injury resistance. In my week-to-week use, I did glute ham raises, back extensions, and even some GHD sit-ups. The eccentric lowering phase, which is coming down, feels brutal at first if your hamstrings aren't used to it. But once you get control, the concentric, coming up, is super satisfying. You're not just pulling your torso up with momentum, you're telling your muscles exactly what to do. Over time, I noticed my lower back felt more stable on deadlifts, and my glutes fired harder. People have even linked GHD work to better sprinting and jumping ability. But it's not all sunshine. Beginners might struggle. As Livestrong points out, without strong hamstrings or good body awareness, the lowering motion can feel risky, especially if your setup isn't dialed in. Features and tech. Let's talk tech. What makes GHD machines special? Adjustable foot rollers and pads. On models like the Rogue Abram GHD 2.0, the foot rollers move horizontally and vertically with 10 different lock-in positions, so it fits a variety of body sizes. This matters because a proper fit means you're getting the right leverage and you're working the right muscles, not overloading your lower back. Sturdy, precision frame. The Rogue model uses 2x3-inch 11-gauge steel and a solid triangular base with rubber feet, which gives it real stability. That means no wobbling when you're hanging out doing glute ham raises or back extensions. Mobility and portability. Despite being heavy, the Rogue unit is about 222 pounds. There are wheels and handles built in, so you can roll it around in your garage gym or reposition when needed. Design and build. From a build perspective, a high-quality GHD feels like a beast. On the Rogue, the pads are dense but comfortable, and the vinyl is moisture-wicking, so you're not slipping around mid-set. The frame is rock solid, as mentioned, so there's no flex. And because the footplate is laser-cut steel, it feels very precise underfoot. On Titan's version, the construction is still sturdy, with a 350-pound weight capacity, and you get big pads for comfort, plus 10 adjustment settings for different leg lengths. That being said, some users note that the warranty is only 1 year, so that's worth considering for longevity. Pros. Massive posterior chain activation. Glutes, hamstrings, lower back, even calves. Excellent for eccentric loading, which helps with injury prevention. Heavy-duty build. Stable, durable, and adjustable for different users. Cons. It takes up a lot of space. If your gym is small, a GHD isn't casual furniture. It's hard. Beginners might struggle to do full reps without assistance. Risk of lumbar overextension if form breaks, especially on sit-ups. Final verdict. So, who is this for and is it worth it? If you're serious about strength training, say you deadlift, squat, or you're an athlete, a GHD is a smart investment. It's not just about building muscle, it helps with stability, injury resilience, and really rounds out your posterior chain in a way that few machines can. If you're just doing casual workouts or you don't have the room or budget, you might skip it, or start with simpler exercises like Nordic curls or back extensions, then upgrade later. Between offerings, the Rogue Abram GHD 2.0 is a premium pick. Super solid, adjustable, built to last. Meanwhile, Titan's Glute-Ham Developer is a more accessible option that delivers almost all the functionality but at a lower price and maybe a bit less polish.